So this is the first question in your Legendre's linear equation. Now if you observe, this is in the form of ax plus b whole square d square y by dx square, right? So now what I have to do, I have to select first ax plus b is equals to e to the power of z. There is nothing but what is ax plus b term here? 2x plus 5, right? 2x plus 5 equals to e to the power of z. Now applying log on both sides, log of 2x plus 5 equals to log e to the power of z. Log and exponential will get cancelled. I'll get log of 2x plus 5 is equals to z. Okay, keep this aside. So now what we have to do, we have completed log 2x plus 5 is equals to z. Now what we have to do, now you take 2x plus 5 is equals to e to the power of z. Now differentiating on both sides, what will get here? 2dx is equals to e power z dz, right? Now 2 e power z dz. Then after, what we have to do, dz by dx, right? That is nothing but what I'll get here, I'll get 2 by e to the power of z. So what is e to the power of z? E to the power of z is nothing but 2x plus 5. So I have substituting here, dx is equals to 2 by 2x plus 5. Now I am changing this. That is nothing but we have to change in the form of dy by dx, right? So how I can write this one? I can write this as dz by dx into dy by dz, right? Then what is dz by dx? Dz by dx is nothing but this one, right? 2 by 2x plus 5 into dy by dz. Now what I am doing, I am just sending this term here, that is 2x plus 5 into dy by dx is equals to 2 dy by dz. Now we got this one. Now what we have to do, now what is d is equals to d by dx, right? And we already know that d dash is equals to d by dz. Now just we are substituting 2x plus 5 into d is equals to 2 d dash, here y and here y, this and this y will get cancelled. So 2x plus 5 into d is equals to 2 d dash. Okay, this is nothing but dy by dx term. What about d square y by dx square term? That is 2x plus 5 whole square d square term. It will be 2 square d dash into d dash minus 1, right? So what I'll get, 4 into d dash into d dash minus 1. This will be our d square y by dx square term. So now substituting these values in our equation 1. What is our equation 1? 2x plus 5 whole square d square y by dx square minus 6 2x plus 5 dy by dx plus 8y is equals to 6x, right? Just we are substituting. What we got, this value we got at this one, right? 4 d dash into d dash minus 1 minus 6 into what is 2x plus 5 to d, what we got, 2d we got, right? So 2d dash, okay, plus 8 into y is equals to, here 6, what we got, x, we got x value as e to the power of z by minus 5 by 2, right? E to the power of z minus 5 by 2. So you got confusion how we are taking x value, okay? 2x plus 5 equals to e power z we have taken, right? So now what is x? X is equals to e to the power of z minus 5. X is equals to e to the power of z minus 5 by 2, right? Now after substituting all the values here, now we have to go for our further step. We got this equation, right? Now multiplying inside, that is 4 d dash square minus 4 d dash, right? Minus 6 2s are 12 d dash plus 8 into y is equals to, here 2 ones 2 threes, so 3 into e to the power of z minus 5. Okay, now what I'll get here, if you see this one, it is 16, right? Minus 16 d dash. So here what I'll get, 4 d dash square, right? Now 16 d dash plus 8 into y is equals to 3 into e to the power of z minus 5. Now if I am taking 4 common, here what I'll get, 4 d dash square minus 4 d dash plus 2 into y is equals to 3 into e to the power of z minus 5. So this 4 I am sending here, d dash square minus 4 d dash plus 2 into y equals to 3 by 4 e to the power of z minus 5. Now this is in the form of f of d of y is equals to q, right? So now what we have to do, we have to go for our further step, that is nothing but our auxiliary equation. So what we'll get here, m square minus 4m plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so we have to go for our root formula, plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now here what is our b? B is equals to minus 4, a is equals to 1 and c is equals to 2. Just to substitute, minus into minus 4 plus or minus under root of minus 4 whole square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here 4 plus or minus under root of 16 minus 8 divided by 2. That implies 4 plus or minus under root of 8 divided by 2. That implies 4 plus or minus, what we'll get here, we'll get 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2 divided by 2. Now I'm taking 2 common, I'll get 2 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. We got 2 plus or minus under root 2. So this is your roots value. So if you observe, the roots are real and complex, right? No, not real and complex. The roots is the form of a plus or minus root b, right? So what will be our yc? Yc is equals to e to the power of ax into c1 cos h, right? Cos h root bz plus c2 sin h root bz. Okay, now here a is equals to 2 and root b is equals to root 2, right? And we are substituting here, that is yc is equals to e to the power of a is nothing but 2x into c1 cos h root 2 z plus c2 sin h root 2 z. So this is your yc value. Now what about yp? Yp particular integral, that is nothing but 1 by f of t into q, right? 1 by f of t into q. So now 1 by d dash square minus 4d dash plus 2, what is q? 3 by 4 e to the power of z minus 5, right? Now I am taking 3 by 4. Okay, now we have e to the power of z minus 5. So I'm dividing, d dash square minus 4d dash plus 2 into e to the power of z minus 1 by d dash square minus 4d dash plus 2 into 5. Here we don't have an exponential, so we have to take e to the power of 0, right? E to the power of 0 we have to take. Now see here now, so it is nothing but, what is the a value here? Here a value is nothing but 1, right? So if I am substituting 1 here, what I will get here? 3 by 4 into 1 by 1. So 1 minus 4 plus 2 into e to the power of z minus, if you observe, the value is 0 here, so I'm substituting 0. So 1 by 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 2 into 5. right? So that is nothing but 3 by 4. What I am getting here, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. I am getting e to the power of z by minus 1. I am getting minus, here I am getting 5 by 2. So what is our yp value here? Yp equals to 3 by 4 minus e to the power of z minus 5 by 2. So now what is general solution? Y is equals to yc plus yp. That is, what is yc? E to the power of 2z into c1 cos h root 2z plus c2 sin h root 2z plus yp value. Yp value is 3 by 4 into minus e to the power of z minus 5 by 2. Hence this is our general solution. And here what is our z value? Our z value is nothing but a log of 2x plus 5, right? We have to substitute z value here, log of 2x plus 5. And what we have, e to the power of z value, e to the power of z is equals to 2x plus 5. Okay, we will substitute now. So we know that what is e power of z? E power of z is nothing but 2x plus 5. So e to the power of z is nothing but 2x plus 5 means 2x plus 5 whole square here. Okay, now c1, what is cos hx? It will be same, cos h root 2. What is z here? Z is nothing but log of 2x plus 5, right? Just substituting, plus c2 sine root 2. What is z? Z is nothing but log of 2x plus 5, right? Substituting, plus 3 by 4 into what is e power of minus z? E power of z is nothing but minus of 2x plus 5 minus 5 by 2. So as this is your required general solution.